This is the spring geometry final for Mr. Garcia. Before you begin, please make sure that the test name shown at the upper right of this test matches the test name on your pre-printed answer sheet. If they are different, please see a proctor to get a matching answer sheet. Please mark your answer clearly and darkly on the answer sheet. Students can use a single 8.5 by 11 page of notes, both sides, a calculator, and the formula sheet that comes with the final. Students are not allowed to use the geometry text. I'm going to read each question. You should then pause the video, work out the problem, and then hit play again, and I will move on to the next question. You can also replay or rewind the video if you want to hear a question read again. Question number 1. By what theorem are the triangles similar? A, side angle side, B, angle angle, C, angle angle side, D, side side side. Number 2. By what theorem are the triangles similar? Note, angle A and angle M are both 47 degrees. A, side angle side, B, angle angle, C, angle angle side, D, side side side. Question 3. Referring to the triangles in question number 2, if EO equals 42, find RP. A is 13, B is 14, C is 15, D is 16. Question 4. Find X. Note, line segment BC is parallel to line segment DE. A 4, B 5, C 6, D 7. Question 5. Fill in the blank. Triangle CAB is similar to triangle. Option A is EDF. Option B is FDE. Option C is DEF, and option D is DFE. Number 6. Find the length AE in the diagram. 12 is A, B is 14, C is 18, D is 20. Question 7. Find the height of the tree. A is 18, B is 20, C is 24, D is 26. Question 8. Find X in the diagram. A is 608/17, B is 136/19, C is 323/8, and D is not enough information. Number 9. Find the area of a circle with diameter 10 feet. A, 10 pi feet squared, B, 5 pi feet squared, C, 100 pi feet squared, D, 25 pi feet squared. Number 10. The area of a circle is 36 pi meters squared. What is the diameter of the circle? A, 36 meters, B, 18 meters, C, 6 meters, D, 12 meters. Find the area of the figure. A, 21,700 centimeters squared. B, 23,825 centimeters squared. C, 18,550 centimeters squared. D, 12,965 centimeters squared. Find the volume of the square pyramid. A, 48 centimeters squared. B, 144 centimeters squared. C, 60 centimeters squared. D, 4 centimeters squared. What is the volume of the given cone? A, 15 pi centimeters cubed. B, 25 pi centimeters cubed. C, 50 pi centimeters cubed. D, 75 pi centimeters cubed. Find the volume of the triangular prism. A, 20 inches cubed. B, 40 inches cubed. C, 48 inches cubed. D, 96 inches cubed. Number 15, find the volume of the cylinder. A, 175 pi feet squared. B, 525 pi feet squared. C, 210 pi feet squared. D, 2,100 pi feet squared. Number 16. In the diagram, triangle TWV is similar to triangle XYW. Based on the dimensions shown, what is the length of line segment TX? Remember your 45, 45, 90 triangle. A, 2 root 2. B, 4 root 2. C, 6 root 2. D, 10 root 2. Question 17. A 13-foot ladder is leaning against a brick wall. To reach the roof, it must touch the wall 12 feet above the ground. The ladder company recommends that for safety, the angle the ladder forms with the ground does not exceed 65 degrees. Does the ladder meet the safety recommendations of the manufacturer when positioned as it is in the diagram? A, no. B, yes. C, not enough information. Question 18. Find sine alpha and tangent alpha. A, sine alpha is 15/17 and tangent alpha is 15/8. B, sine alpha is 17/15 and tangent alpha is 8/15. C, sine alpha is 8/17 and tangent alpha is 8/15. D, sine alpha is 17/8 and tangent alpha is 15/8. Question 19. Use one of the special right triangles to find the value of x and y. A, x equals 10, y equals 5 root 3. B, x equals 5 halves, y equals 5 over root 3. C, x equals 5 root 3 and y equals 10. D, x equals 5 over root 3 and y equals 5 halves. The side AC is equal to 8 times the cosine of 35, B, 8 times the tangent of 35, C, the tangent of 35 divided by 8, or D, 8 divided by the tangent of 35. Angle T is equal to A, cosine inverse of 7/25, B, sine inverse of 7/25, C, tangent inverse of 7/25, D, tangent inverse of 24/7. Question 22. In triangle ABC, the hypotenuse has a length 3 units. What is the length of each leg? A, 3 divided by root 2, B, 3 times root 2, C, 3, and D, 3 root 3. The value of x is equal to 25 times the sine of 52, B, 25 divided by the sine of 52, C, 25 divided by the cosine of 52, or D, 25 times the cosine of 52. Number 24. The center and radius of the circle x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 49 is A, center is 5, negative 2, radius is 49, B, center is negative 5, 2, radius 49, C, center is 5, negative 2, radius 7, or D, center is negative 5, 2, radius 7. Question 25. The center and radius of the circle x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 2y equals 7 is A, center negative 3, 1, radius 17, or B, center negative 3, 1, radius square root of 17, C, center 3, negative 1, radius 17, or D, center 3, negative 1, radius square root of 17. Find the equation of the circle with center negative 8, 3, and radius 9. A is x minus 8 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 81. B is x plus 8 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 81. C is x minus 8 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 9. Or D, x plus 8 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 9. Number 27. Which point is not on the circle x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 37? A, 3, negative 3, B, 4, 4, C, negative 1, negative 1, D, 6, negative 8. Find the center and radius of x squared plus y squared plus 10x plus 2y equals 23. A, center negative 5, negative 1, radius 49. B, center 10, 2, radius square root of 23, C, center 5, 1, radius 7, or D, center -5, -1, radius 7. Number 29, how many times does the circle x plus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 16 intersect the x and y axis? A, x-axis once and y-axis twice. B, x-axis twice and y-axis twice. C, x-axis none and y-axis twice. Or D, x-axis twice and y-axis once. Number 30. Using the same circle as in question number 29, is the point -7, 1 inside the circle, on the circle, or outside the circle? A, inside the circle, B, on the circle, C, outside the circle. D, impossible to tell. Find the vertex of the parabola y minus 5 equals -2 times x plus 3 squared. A, vertex 3, 5. B, vertex 3, -5. C, vertex -3, -5. D, vertex -3, 5. Number 32. Find the vertex of the parabola 4 times y plus 3 equals 3 times x minus 6 squared. A, vertex 6, -3. B, vertex -6, -3. C, vertex -6, 3. D, vertex 6, 3. Number 33. How many times does the parabola y equals 5 times x minus 3 squared plus 1 cross the x-axis? Hint, graph it. A, once. B, twice. C, never. D, not enough information. Number 34. Find the vertex of the parabola y equals x squared minus 6x plus 7. A, -2, 3. B, 2, 3. C, -3, -2. D, 3, -2. Number 35. Find the vertex of the parabola y equals x squared plus 12x plus 39. A, 6, 3. B, -6, 3. C, -6, -3. Or D, 6, -3.